In this video, I'm demonstrating a couple of my favorite tools to supplement our laser dentistry with our Lightwalkers. This is called the Dental Pain Eraser by Synapse. Works much like a TENS unit. It takes a couple minutes to get a tooth ready for the procedure. Just kind of rest it on the buccal, the occlusal, the lingual. And patients do remarkably well with this. They're finding the procedures to be very comfortable when working on their tooth. It blocks the pain sensations very, very effectively. And then once we start working on the tooth and removing the old composite, this one was pretty deep. The patient was perfectly comfortable, no complaints of any discomfort. And this is another one tool I like. It's called a CeraBur by Komet. It's made of zirconium. It only removes caries dentin, just kind of bounces off the healthy dentin. And because it's not metal, it vibrates less and stays cooler than metal burrs do for caries excavation, and really adds to patient comfort and takes the guesswork out for us as dentists as far as where the caries ends. And we can go ahead and finish placing the composite and finish there. And